Hi, it's Amy with Maze on the Move, and I am prepping to go camping. We're just doing a one-night camp, keeping it kind of simple. I'm feeling a little frustrated because I made some videos for you and Paul made one of us prepping our food, and it was in slow motion, so there was no sound. I couldn't fix it. So I'm sorry you don't get to see me do all this, but I'm going to go over what I'm doing. I already cooked biscuits, and I have those ready to go. Chicken salad, so we're having for breakfast in the morning biscuits, gravy. This is a can of sausage gravy, and then it's a packet of sausage gravy. And when I made my packet of sausage gravy, I put about a tablespoon of bacon grease in there because I like for it to taste homemade. And then I put more salt and pepper. So this is a big thing of gravy. There's 5 of us camping. So that's going to go in the fridge, already be made, so that's really easy. We'll have this with buttboard bacon. Paul makes his own homemade buttboard bacon, so hopefully we can video that for you sometimes. It's really good, and it's lean. We're also going to have eggs. Paul had made a video. He had a little Mountain Valley water bottle, probably holds about 12 ounces. And he put a funnel in it, and then he cracked the eggs in the funnel, and he used a straw to get the yolk to go through, and it worked. It was genius. He said he saw it on a YouTube video. So our eggs are in that water bottle, and we'll use those. So eggs, biscuits, and gravy, and buttboard bacon for breakfast. Tomorrow for lunch, we're going to have chicken salad sandwiches on croissants. And I put, the chicken salad came from Aldi. It was the cranberry one. And I put some more celery in it and salt and pepper. And then the other thing we're having tonight is jalapeno poppers. I have a video of me cooking these in our Galance. It's in our Casita. So if you watch that, you will see the process. We are also going to have the little pieces Paul makes. They feed 2 people, and he makes them in advance, vacuum seals them, and freezes them for camping. So we'll have that. So we're gonna eat well. For dessert, I have lemon bars that came from Trader Joe's. They're very tiny little bars, but they are really good. So I have cut my peppers. I soaked them in water for a while. So all I'm going to do is put some cream cheese in there. And I have my brick of cream cheese. And I like to just, you know, cut a sliver like that. So I'm going to put that in there. It's a little bit long, so I'm just going to cut that off. So that, look how perfectly that fits in there. Then I took my bacon, and this is just the Appleton Farms bacon from Aldi. I did cut the package in half with a pair of scissors. If I need a whole piece, I'll use a whole piece, but I wasn't sure. And it looks like I am gonna need a whole piece. So, I shouldn't have cut it in half, but you know what, it'll be okay. All right, so there's one beautiful popper. So I'm gonna do that to the rest of these, and then they're prepped, and I don't have to worry about prepping food at the campground. I can just enjoy this absolutely amazing weather we're having in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. A little overcast right now, and I think it's about 85 degrees. I don't know for sure. I haven't been outside, but that's the way our days have been, and Paul said it feels amazing. So I've just been inside working on videos, getting my glacier video ready to upload. I forgot to tell you that I was thinking of what could we dip these in other than ranch, these jalapeno poppers. And I had some raspberry jam in the refrigerator, and it wasn't a whole lot. So I'm gonna mix that with some strawberry, and when I heat it up, it'll get looser, and we'll just use a nice sweet sauce to dip our hot jalapenos. And you know, some people may want ranch, and that's okay. But I wanted to give another option. I have finished making my poppers. I have 20 poppers. I just put them in Ziploc baggies like this. And I had like 1.5 packs of cream cheese, and that was plenty. I even threw a little bit away. And a few of these only have 1/2 a piece of bacon on there because it was a smaller jalapeno, and that's how I got it. The whole pack was able to make these 20 poppers. I wanted to tell you these gloves I got from Costco are amazing. I was trying to put them on earlier. My hands were a little wet and I was really having to pull hard, and they never ripped. They're nice and thick. They're awesome. So if you watched our Costco video, you might want to buy these. Were they $10.50, Paul?
I think so. There's pretty good buy.
You get 150 of them, and Paul usually just wears one glove, but I need two. And yeah, so $10.50 is a pretty good deal. Those are going to last a long time. Thanks for watching Maisie's on the Move. Please like and subscribe.